In this slide video, we will walk through how to create a user account for an application that uses the Enterprise A&A Common Interface. This is the Iowa School Alerts web application, one of over 200 applications offered by the state of Iowa that utilizes Enterprise A&A. To create an account in this application, you first click the Sign Up button, which will open the Enterprise A&A Web Service application. This is the Enterprise A&A Common Interface sign-in screen, and you have been sent to the Create an Account view. Enter your first name. Enter your last name. Press the Register button. You will now need to provide a few more details for your new user account. The account ID is what you need to provide in the first text box. It may contain a suggested account ID based on a combination of first name period last name. If it does not, don't worry, as it just means that someone else has already created an account ID with those values and you need to come up with a unique account ID. Enter the email address you want associated with your account. This must be a valid email address that you can access to receive emails with. Type in the same email address to confirm what you entered before is correct. Press the Save Account Details button. This will attempt to create a temporary account. If there is a problem, like you entered an account ID that already exists, then you will remain on this screen and will get an error message. If the account ID and email you entered were fine, you will be informed that you are about to create an account and that an email will be sent to you about it. Press the OK button. This will prep the temp account and email you information on how to complete the registration process. This is a confirmation screen that explains that an email has been sent to you that will contain details on how to complete the registration process. It also includes some information about issues receiving the email and why some users do not get the registration confirmation email. Review this information just in case you are one that did not receive the email. This is the registration confirmation email. It contains instructions on how to complete the registration process, as well as some helpful information should problems with the registration confirmation arise. Click the link found in Step 1 of the Account Activation Process section of the email. Warning: only click this link once. If you click it more than once, you will get a message saying that the link is no longer valid. Your account will have been created, but it will make it more difficult for you to start using it. Please note, some email clients may wrap the link or URL to multiple lines, and when it is clicked, the entire link or URL is not selected, and you will receive an error. If you get an error, make sure the link or URL in your browser matches the one you clicked. You can avoid this issue if you copy and paste the link into the browser address bar rather than clicking the link. If you receive the message, "Sorry, the link you used is no longer valid," you can follow the suggestions under the Help section. The first thing to do is click the link provided that will take you to the Forgot ID screen in A&A, where you can try to discover if possibly your account has already been created and can recover your account. If everything went fine after clicking the Step 1 link, you will be sent to a screen where you will be asked to set up your security identity baseline. This is used should you ever forget your password. There are two different types of questions asked on this page. Some require you to pick from a list, while others ask you to make up your own questions. Please note, you cannot use the same question for other selections. Once you have selected and/or entered your questions, you will want to answer them with answers that only you would know. Try to make these not overly complex as to make it hard for you in the future to remember these. The answers are not case sensitive, but spaces will remain should you use a phrase rather than a single word. Please note, you cannot use the same answer for more than one question. Since the answer input is masked for security reasons, you must type them in again to confirm the values you entered are what you wanted. Press the Save Identity Baseline button. If there is a problem like you entered the same answers more than once, then you will remain on this screen and will get an error message. If everything is fine, you will be sent on to set up your account password. On this screen, you will be asked to enter a password that you would like to use for your new account. Enter a password of your choice in the first text box. Please note, there are some password rules you need to follow, and they are listed further down the screen. Enter the same password again in the second text box to verify what you entered in the first text box is correct. Press the Save New Password button. This will change the password for your new account. If there's a problem like you typed in a password that violates the password rules, you will remain on this screen and will get an error message. If the password is fine, you will be redirected to the sign-in screen where you are now ready to log on. On this screen, you can enter your account credentials to authenticate, and if successful, you will be redirected to the calling application you are wanting access to. If you need help on sign-in functionality, we have another slide video that will walk you through that process. You may see the following redirect notification screen after pressing the Sign-In button. Hopefully it will only show for a very brief time, but if it happens to stay here very long, this could indicate that the Iowa School Alerts app is rendering slow for some reason. There are many reasons why this could happen. We describe a few of them on the redirect notification screen. We also provide a direct link you can click if you want to see if that helps things go quicker. Please note, if you are not being redirected in a timely manner and the link does not work any better, you should report this to those responsible for the application you are trying to access. Many sites have help information. If you are not able to locate this information, you can use the help request URL provided to report it to the A&A support, and we will communicate it to the agency responsible for the application in question. Please provide the URL or the web address of the website you are trying to access so we know who to contact on your behalf. If all goes well, you will now be back at the Iowa School Alerts application and will be logged on and can use the app as necessary. Thanks for watching. Please enjoy our other slide videos about Enterprise A&A.